Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So recently I did a video on organic dropshipping. I was doing organic TikTok organic dropshipping from India, and I didn't get any sales. I just got 10 to 12 ad codes but no sales. So I also couldn't able to shoot product videos properly. I was targeting Halloween. So now I targeted Christmas and tried organic dropshipping from India again. And in last 1 month I got sales over 2,400 pounds. It's a total sales I have made, and in US dollars it's more than 3000 US dollars. The reason I'm saying it in US dollars is 100% sales or from United States. And so in this video I'll be explaining the challenges I have faced and about how I converted into Indian rupees and how much profits I made. Like the total profit margin is around 50%. So I tried organic dropshipping in the United States from India, but TikTok is banned in India. So we have to use VPN to access TikTok, and to reach United States audience, we have to use some methods. Like I will explain that in this video. Like you have to do some process for that. So if you do that, the videos that you post will get views and get sales. So now let's get started. So now I'm going to show you the data on my laptop. This is my Shopify dashboard, and as you can see on the screen, I actually started posting videos on TikTok on October 14th. So from October 14th to October 27th, I didn't get any sales for it's almost like 2 weeks. So I only got two add to codes and one checkout. So the first sale I got was on October 28th. And then let me set the timeline. So from that I tried till the end of November, till November 30th. So because of some health concerns, I couldn't able to post videos at time consistently. So I had to take breaks often. So the total sales was 2,412 pounds, and the average conversion rate is around 2.43%, which is really good for organic dropshipping. And I got total orders of 100, and the average order value is 24. And as you can see, the location, you can see it's mostly from United States. So if you're wondering why it's in pounds, I will explain that later. So now you can see that the visitors are from these platforms primarily, like YouTube, TikTok, and Insta, and most of those visitors have directly visited the website and made sales, and you can see the numbers as well. So as most of them are from direct visits, it's not the data are not available. So now the reason behind the pounds is like you can activate Shopify payments from India, but it's not available. So to activate it, you need a Wise account, and with UK as a location, you just need few documents, and you can get a UK based virtual bank account using Wise, and you can activate Shopify payments easily if you keep United States as a United Kingdom as a location and pounds as a currency. And then you can use Shopify markets, and then you can set up United States. So if people from United States visit your website, the currency will be automatically switched to United States dollars, so that they can pay in US dollars, and you can get paid in pounds, and then it will be converted into Indian rupees. So as you can see, most of the sales, like 100% are from United States. The share is 100%. So this is how it works, and this is a reason why it's in pounds. So now I will also show you the transactions which was made on Shopify payments. So let me go to data, like go to the finance section, and as you can see, these are the payouts I got from Shopify payments. I have got 20, 30, and 548 pounds. So these are payouts from Shopify, and these payouts will go to the Wise bank account, to the virtual bank account which I have created, and then it will be converted into Indian rupees. So this is my Wise dashboard. As you can see, the transactions, there are payouts from Shopify, and then it's converted into Indian rupees. As you can see on the screen, I got 111 as a payout, and then it's converted into Indian rupees, and then 21, and then 20, and then 548, which is around 57,000 Indian rupees. So these are payments from Wise. Now I will also show you the PayPal transactions. So let me log into the PayPal first. So I also got a lot of orders from PayPal rather than using Shopify payments, as it increases your conversion. You obviously have to use PayPal as well. So these are some transactions from PayPal. These are some orders which was made using PayPal, and there are lots of orders. So these are some proof that I have made sales and I have converted into Indian rupees. And obviously I got some chargebacks refunds as well. But in total, profit margin is 2,62,000, and out of 2,62,000, after the expenses of VPN and then Shopify monthly subscriptions, I also paid for product videos, like shooting the product videos. So the total profit is around like 1,04,000. After all the expenses, this is my total profit, and it's my Jupiter bank account, which I primarily use for organic dropshipping. I use it to make all the debits and credits so that I can easily calculate profits and losses. So this is my bank account. So now let's see about the challenges I have faced. But before getting started, this video is sponsored by DropsOn.io. It's a dropshipping sales tracking tool through which you can track the sales of competitors' products, and it works as a Discord bot, so you can make sure that the competitor is making sales or not. So as it works in Discord, you have to join to a Discord server and then use the command track product and then copy the competitor's URL, enter the currency, and then click submit, and it will automatically track the sales in real time, and it will also send automated notifications every 4 hours like this. You can also check the data manually just by using a /check tracking command, and using DropsOn fulfillment, you can fulfill your international dropshipping orders and deliver the products to 90 plus countries in just 9 to 12 days. I also used DropsOn fulfillment to fulfill my orders, and they fulfill orders using Chinese sourcing agents, so the product price will be really low comparing to others, and they also have a fast shipping options, so check it out. So now the challenges I faced in this was, the first thing is TikTok restrictions. So whenever I upload a video, there were restrictions like unoriginality content, and some other reasons, the videos didn't get views, it was not recommended, and I personally feel it's due to TikTok's automated algorithm. Even though I shooted my own videos and uploaded it, there were some issue, I don't know why. And other than that, I also feel like creating product videos was really a big issue, because I hired freelancers in Fiverr, and I paid them to shoot product videos. I also paid for the product, and asked them to place the orders on Amazon. But the work was not professional. I tried almost like 2 to 3 freelancers, and then I had another freelancer who shot the videos properly, and he gave me the videos, and then I edited myself, and then uploaded videos. But still, even though it's original videos, TikTok was not recommending my videos, so that was a huge problem. And so I got some product videos from YouTube. Like there was a channel where they were uploading a trim cigarette holder. This is a product that I used, so they were uploading this product videos without any watermark. So I started targeting election, and then the main reason I chose this particular product is that US culture is totally different from India, and if we sell products something like this in India, there will be a lot of problems. But I don't think this product is available in India, but this is actually a product that promote cigarettes, something like that. But that's why TikTok had a lot of restrictions. But beyond that, this is not just a cigarette holder, it can also be used as a Christmas decoration, something like a 2-in-1 product. So first I thought about it, and then I thought about promoting a smoking product. So and then I just made a decision, because just because I'm selling, no one is going to smoke, and no one is going to turn bad. It's about their own decisions, it's about their habits. So it's not just like I'm promoting something wrong and I'm leading youngsters to a wrong path. And also we can use candy cigarettes, like candies, just like a chocolate. So, and few other people use some other products as well, but I definitely cannot reveal those. Nav, I'm really sorry, I can't reveal those kind of products, but I promoted using candy cigarettes. I also promoted this product as a Christmas decoration. So and I also I don't want to sell something like this again, but everyone has a different purpose and mindset, and it's up to them. So just because I'm selling it doesn't mean that someone is going to turn bad. So there was also another product which is similar, which is Santa Claus dispenser. I tried this product last year and it was really selling well. So I was planning to sell the same product this year as well. So I chose this product, but I couldn't able to spend money to shoot the videos as I was facing trouble with freelancers. So at the time I saw some people uploading this product videos in YouTube without any text or watermark. So I downloaded all those videos, and then I made some trims, and then I edited those videos and then I uploaded with different music, text, and then I uploaded on TikTok. And YouTube don't allow to post the videos as it causes copyright issue. But with TikTok, you can download videos from other platforms and then you can make some creative edits and then you can start posting videos on TikTok and it will get some views. So that was something like an easy option for me. So I started posting videos using the videos I got from YouTube. But after some stage, they told me not to post videos. The original creator of the YouTube channel, they contacted me, so I stopped using their videos and then I started using my own videos which I got through freelancers. So I paid another freelancer again and then I got some better videos and then I started posting on TikTok. And to set up a TikTok account, first thing you need is an iPhone. So I purchased a second-hand iPhone, which is iPhone 11 Pro. I purchased it from Cashify, and after that, I purchased a US travel SIM card, which is from Amazon. It's around like 2,000 Indian rupees, and I also purchased a Shopshock VPN, paid with a paid subscription. So SIM card is really important because without a SIM card you can get shadow ban and you can't get views. So sometimes it can be a trouble for you. So to avoid shadow ban, it's recommended to get a SIM card. And then after setting up everything, I used to turn off location services on the mobile phone, like all location services, like nearby services, find my phone, and like all the things. Yeah, drop Bluetooth, every single thing, and then I turn on airplane mode and connect to Wi-Fi. If you think how you can connect to Wi-Fi after turning on the airplane mode, it's possible on iPhone. As you can see on the screen, I have turned on airplane mode and it's still connected to Wi-Fi. So this is possible in uh, iPhones. And then I warmed up the account for first 2 days, like just scrolling through the feed, liking videos and just commenting and saving the videos. So I did warm up, and then from the next day I started posting videos on TikTok, and I can show you the TikTok page as well. So this is my TikTok page, and the major problem in TikTok is only after getting 1,000 followers you can put a product link in the bio so that it can people can click and they can make purchase, or else you just have to type in the bio like just go to this site and purchase a product. So this is something really different comparing to Instagram and YouTube. And as you can see the videos, these products have gone viral, but these videos were downloaded from YouTube and I just made some creative edits. And these trim products or the videos which I have got from freelancers, and even those products have gone viral. In terms of videos, almost all the clips are pretty much similar. Like I just made some minor changes in terms of the text or in terms of music, but the clip is same. This is how organic dropshipping works, and almost like I posted 100 to 150 videos, and pretty much every videos are same. Like I just made minor changes, and this is how organic dropshipping works. I posted 3 videos a day, like one video in 5 to 7 p.m. and then another video in around like 10 to 11 p.m. and then third video is around like 6 to 9 a.m. in the morning. So this will be like the timeline would be like morning, afternoon, and the evening in American time. So this is how I planned and posted videos, and some of those videos have gone viral after 2 weeks. And it took just 5 to 10 minutes a day to post 3 videos, and this can be a good side hustle for a college student or maybe a 9 to 5 job people. Maybe this can be done easily with just iPhone. So I personally recommend you guys to try this as a side hustle, as it involves very less investment and it needs very less time. So this is it guys, I will see you in the next video.